So, an update on saving the lemons. Ya, un update en el video de que quería salvar los limones. So this one is doing good. Yeah, has shown, I don't know, I'll show a comparison, but it's probably two leaves or something like that. I'm gonna put it there so we can put a picture next to it, maybe like here. To compare. Then we have the bonsai one. I don't think we did anything to this one, but I just wanted to show it because it's going pretty good. Creo que con este no le hicimos nada, pero este quería mostrarlo nomás porque está creciendo súper bien. Especially now that I put it under some grow lights and closer to the grow lights. Especialmente ahora que lo puse más cerca de unas luces. The distance to the light really matters. La distancia a las luces importa realmente. This one I just watered. Lo acabo de regar and it looks the same. This one is weird because it's like, I don't know what happened to this plant, but I think it was attacked by insects or something like that. Creo que fue atacada por algún tipo de insecto, because it's not growing at all. It has that little tiny leaf there, tiene esa pequeña hoja ahí, pero I don't think it's done anything. Creo que no ha hecho nada. It's still alive though. And then finally we have this one. Oops. Finalmente tenemos el hidropónico. Kratky has some new root there. It's not a lot, but it's pretty good growth. Crecimiento súper bueno en raíces. That just happened lately, que pasó ahora hace poquito. So we saved this one at least, and it's doing pretty good. It has the roots right there in the nutrients, so it's supposed to just keep growing better right now. De ahora en adelante va a seguir creciendo súper bien, se supone. So yeah, that's the update. And this is not a comparison, Esto no es una comparación entre Kratky y suelo, between Kratky and soil. But I'll do another experiment very soon. Muy pronto vamos a hacer un experimento con semillas de limón that I have already there trying to grow. Guess I can show them. Creo que los puedo mostrar. Right here. Aquí tengo un par de semillas de limón que estoy creciendo. Estoy tratando de germinar en realidad. Nothing yet. Todos iguales. Let's put them like that. Water it. Ahí está. Cubierta totalmente. That's for now. Ese fue el update de los limones. See you later. Thank you. Bye. Nos vemos. Chao.